Hey, are you currently using the HubSpot Service Hub? Have you ever dreamt of a day where you could have a support form in your knowledge base? Well, then you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
What's up? I'm George Thomas, your HubSpot Sprocket Talk ninja, bringing you yet another HubSpot update. Okay, I'm not actually a ninja, but this is a HubSpot update. By the way, stick around to the end of this update because I'm going to share with you how today's update could dramatically impact your content creation process. No, seriously, stick around to the end. First of all, let's start at the beginning. What the heck is it? HubSpot Service Hub users can now add a support form to knowledge base articles so that our customers can raise their hands, aka tickets, if they cannot find an answer to a question they're trying to solve. The great thing is that the support form can be switched on with ease in the knowledge base settings area of your HubSpot portal. Why does this HubSpot Service Hub update matter? Our knowledge base should be the first place our customers turn to when they have a question regarding our products and our services. In the case where the customer is unable to find the answer they desire, and might I say require, they should not be left at a loss and not know what to do next. Adding the support form to knowledge base articles allows customers to reach out to us when they are unable to help themselves. So, you might be asking yourself, I wonder how this thing works. Well, I'm glad you asked. The support form can be switched on in the knowledge base settings. To make changes to the support form, click the Edit the Form in the Support Form Settings link. Pro tip, changes made to the form will be reflected on every knowledge base page that the form is used on. Once activated, a new link will appear in the navigation bar for your knowledge base. When the customer clicks the link, they will be brought to a page containing the awesome support form that you just created. The navigational link and form header text can also be changed in the settings area. Last but not least, who gets it? Well, this feature is available now for all Sales Hub Professional and Service Hub Enterprise users and is available in all languages supported by HubSpot. So how does this HubSpot update affect your content creation? Look, if they're filling out this form, it's because they cannot find the answer they need. If you search and find that you have not covered this topic, then create the technical piece of content for your knowledge base and then reach out to your marketing team so they can create a blog article around the topic, product, or service as well. This form is literally helping us find the content gaps in our content. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you hit the likes, the subscribes, everything so that we know that you're part of the community. Want to get tutorials like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special Sprocket Talk only list. Last but not least, if you need training past this tutorial, check the description below and learn more about our 1 and 2 day on-location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops. Until next time, this is your boy George Thomas saying go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.